What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to learn how to create a temporary email address. Many times we are on some websites or some platforms where we would like to sign up for their service, but we don't want to use our personal email address. We aren't sure how good their platform is and we don't want to receive any promotional emails from them until we are sure that we are going to use their service. So in such cases, it is very useful to have a temporary email address and sign up on their platform with that email address. That is what we are going to learn in this tutorial. This is very helpful for people who are working in digital marketing industry or who are working in web development industry, where they are testing out different forms to check and confirm the workflow of the form and make sure if it is working properly, or when they are signing up on different platforms like SEO platforms or just platforms for creating advertising campaigns and creating reports, and they can use this temporary email address for that. So as you can see on the screen, right now I am on redtrack.io website. Now let's sign up for their free trial. For that, the first thing we need to do is go on tempmail.org. Once you are on the website, you will see a temporary email flashing on your screen. What you can do is you can use this as your temporary email address. Just copy this and sign up on their website. Click submit. So you can see we have submitted the form with the temporary email address. Now let's wait for a couple of minutes and check our temp mail address to see if we have received anything here. Perfect. So guys, now you can see we have received a confirmation email from redtrack.io and we can confirm the email from here. It just works as a temporary mailbox. Now one more thing is guys, once you have used this temporary email address, make sure to delete it so that nobody else who has access to this email address receives the email which you are supposed to receive. So in order to do that, you can just scroll up and click on delete so that this email address will be deleted for now, and if anyone signs up on any other platform with this same email address in a different part of the world, they don't receive the email which we were supposed to receive. Of course, since you are using a temporary mailbox, you won't use any sensitive information or you won't share any sensitive information to be used or attached with this email address. So I hope guys you have found this video helpful. If yes, do give thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Bye bye, take care and see you in the next video.